Ranking the best sound effect pranks. This has to be illegal. Bro scared everyone in the mall.